Hi, and welcome to our sixth video of the 52-week challenge. Um, so in this one, we're going to make a simple cup, and then we're going to add like some fluid in there, but it's not really fluid because we're not dealing with like fluid stuff or simulations here. So just to let you know, um, again, if you like art and stuff, a good practice, like what I'm doing is take everyday objects, do a small sketch in different perspectives, top down, side, front, and then translate that into a 3D object with Blender, and it really does help with perspective and just being able to imagine things in different views. Or you get a cheat sheet for yourself with a 3D model right there. So less work. All right, let's get started. Delete that. Shift A. We're gonna add a cylinder here, and we're gonna make this into a cup. This is pretty good. All right. Tab edit mode. We are gonna select all these, then ES, E down. Actually, let me do what do you call? There it is. All right. Oh, pretty even thickness. Then go to non-edit mode. Okay. Let's add some cuts. And that's good. Okay. Go to side view, and on the side here, we're going to add the handle. It's not going to be fancy, so take that into consideration. All right. Press 3. Now press 1. E. Like that. All right. Then let's delete the edges here. Delete. All right. Go back to 1. X-ray mode, and we're gonna select the edges here, and then E. All right, like that. Then E, like that. R. Then E, R. Then E, R. Then E, R, like that. Then sorry. E, R. Oh, sorry. Like this. And to straighten that out, I think it's S, X, 0. And that's good. Alright, sweet. Press 1 again. And let's get this right about there. Then select that and press face. That's not working. Okay. So let's select this to this. Face, F. Select the edges, and then we're gonna keep doing this. We're gonna do some manual stuff here, so just so we don't forget the simple but much needed skill. And also because I don't know another way to do this easier right now. Alright, that's pretty good. Then tab, get out of edit mode, and let's smooth this out a little bit. So take out of x-ray mode, and we're gonna go around the handle here. All right, do the same here. All right, sweet. And then we're gonna do the edges here. That's so it takes into account these intersecting parts as we bevel to make this smoother. And remember, we have another option where we can make what's it called? Shift A, like a curve and then a circle, and use the line properties or the line menu here. This is just imagine this is a line, and then create like a line from here to here with points, and then not bevel with the geometry. It's in, I think it's in the last video, so if you want to check that out, then let's bevel over here. Hopefully this looks nice. Ooh, we forgot one line, one edge, sorry. It's not bad. All right. We also need to add the side over here. All right, this. Remember, it's a learning process. In my case, it's I gotta remember stuff as well, and also I'm still learning. Like, you're never gonna stop learning with Blender. It's always new fun things. It's gotten exponentially a lot better recently, and I think since 2.8. Like before, it was so much work I didn't even know what I was doing most of the time. All right. Let's go here. Shift Control plus, all around us. All right. Shift Control plus, all around us. Small bevel. Just like that. Okay. Looks like a nice mug or coffee cup. All right, and we're gonna do the same here, just the inside or the top part, because we're not really gonna see the bottom of this. All right, nice. Okay, we got our cup done. Now we're gonna just add what's called some geometry here. We're gonna create a piece from another piece. So go to face mode and select these faces, then Shift Control all around us with the plus, then Shift D, P, P afterwards. By loose parts, tab, get out of that, and then edit mode, take the cup out, and we're gonna go with all the edges. Top edges. Nope. C. All right, and then we're gonna do E, S, and then we're gonna go M, add center. All right, and then we're gonna do R. That's not letting us do that. Okay. Control C, then Control R, and then we're gonna add a few circles here. All right, and then select all of these, Shift Control plus, all around the circle, and M, add center. Sweet. Okay, and let's see if we create a circle here. I guess not, but this is still pretty good. Oh, okay, we can at least select that. Okay, Shift Control plus, get all of that. S, And so it's about even. Shift Control plus S. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, now let's go to side view, and we are gonna select all these lines and press H, H. All right, and then we're gonna do the same thing here. Shift Control plus, then select that one, and then Shift Control plus, and get all of these, and then H again. All right, now we got this. Select a few faces, change the face mode. And this is where we're going to create like a little mini waves, the liquid in the coffee. You go proportional editing here. Make sure you have random on, and then GC, something like this. See? And then we're going to bring everything back, Alt H, and tab edit mode, we can shade smooth, so it looks pretty good. Nice. And see, so I can show you. Yep, everything else is here. Let's bring this actually down a little bit. Edit mode, we're not really seeing that. Sorry. Select the edges, GC, bring this up, and then tab, and then GC, bring this down a little bit. So it looks like we barely drank anything, or we drank a little bit. Then nice, right? Okay. We can smooth this out, shade smooth, and then select everything else, shade smooth. So now we got like a little liquid coffee cup or something like that. Oh, sorry. I wanted to, no, this is good. Okay. I guess we can add maybe material to this, and that way we can make it look a little better. So add material. Please don't crash. Oh no. Oh, okay, sweet. We're gonna make it a little gray. Oh, go to shading. That's good. Subsurface. Let's see, a little shine like that. And then the coffee here, I think we'll make it like a watery thing for now. Decrease the roughness, so kind of actually looks like a liquid. And metallic, there we are. See, so not too bad. And then press 0 for the view, press N, view. Let's see, lock camera. Yeah, lock camera to you, and then we can change the location of the scene like that. Take it out, press 0, press 0 again. So there. And from here, where's our light? That's not bad. Okay, and then we can just render a little bit, which takes a little bit of time. Now we got our nice cup of coffee, but I want this to look a little better, so the liquid is showing. Okay, and then render again. Okay, see, it doesn't look too bad. We might need to change the settings here or there to make this look better, but it's a good cup of water, or you can make it a little brownish and cup of coffee. All right. Hope this helped someone, and until next time.